Oh, do that put Jesus in low.
We bless God for another day.
Oh,
Are you shouting that shout for the Lord? Can you hear it?
Oh, do that put Jesus in low.
You know you are not living here the same way. Jesus and shout of victory. To rewrite your family lesson, it is my fight. To be celebrated and not tolerated, it is my fight. Even your children, you are not from your family. One of them is